Number 1.
1993 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,700. It is powered by a 5.7L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. Finished in white with a red interior, the truck is fully loaded and everything is in working order. The interior remains in great shape overall. Aside from a cracked dash, the truck features cold air conditioning, fully functioning gauges, and good tires mounted on rally wheels. On the exterior, there is one dent located behind the rear bumper on the bed, while the paint, now over 30 years old, shows its age. Rust is present above the driver's side bedside wheel well, along with 4 small areas of surface rust at the very end of the inner bed, though the inside of the bed itself is free from dents and remains in excellent condition. Despite these cosmetic flaws, the truck runs and drives without issue. In fact, it was recently driven 200 miles with no problems, showcasing its reliability and solid mechanical condition.
Number 2.
1982 Chevrolet C10, price $6,500. It has 88,000 miles on it and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in sleek black with a striking red interior, the truck runs on gasoline and is powered by a dependable 350 engine paired with a 350 transmission. It produces no smoke and runs strong. The truck has been well cared for with many recent updates, including new tires all around, fresh plugs and wires, new transmission fluid, and an oil change. It also features a brand new exhaust system, ensuring a solid performance and sound. Inside, it's fitted with a modern Bluetooth radio for convenience, while maintaining the classic look and feel of a C10. Every component works as it should, making this pickup not only a head-turner but also a reliable driver.
Number 3.
1997 Ford F250, price $6,124, powered by the dependable 4.6L V8 engine and paired with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive. Showing just 134,150 miles, it has plenty of life left and has clearly been cared for over the years. The truck wears a standout orange exterior complemented by a tan interior, giving it both character and comfort. Because it has spent its life in the South, the truck is completely rust-free, making it a solid and desirable find compared to many others of the same era. It recently passed its Pennsylvania inspection on September 26, ensuring it is fully road-ready. Inside, the air conditioning blows cold, the heater produces strong warmth, and every drive feels smooth and reliable. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race. Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds.
Number 4.
1997 Ford F250, price $9,000. This pickup is a solid Colorado truck with 178,000 miles. It runs on the powerful 7.5L 460 V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission and features 4x4 with autolocking hubs. Coming in the XLT package, it carries a clean Colorado title and has had only 2 owners. Set up for serious towing, it's wired for both fifth wheel and bumper pull, equipped with a heavy-duty Class V Kurt hitch, 7-pin and 4-pin connectors, and upgraded towing brakes. The interior is clean with no rips in the seats, the headliner intact, and recent updates include a new battery and windshield. It also comes with a fifth-wheel tailgate and removable extended side mirrors for towing convenience.
Number 5.
1978 Chevrolet C10, price $6,000. The truck is in great condition inside and out. The bed is flawless, featuring a brand new bedliner with no dents or dings. The doors open and close smoothly, while the floor pans show no signs of rust and have also been treated with a fresh bedliner. Though there is some light surface rust in 2 small rust spots on the fenders, the overall body remains solid and well kept. Under the hood, it is equipped with a freshly installed 327 engine, paired with a Comp Extreme 4x4 cam, push rods, and 1.6 rockers. The engine features 2.02 intake and 1.6 exhaust valves that have been ported and milled, along with threaded rocker arm studs for durability. Stainless headers feed into a 2.5-inch true dual exhaust system with mag flow mufflers, delivering both power and a deep tone. Backing it all up is a strong and smooth shifting TH350 transmission, making the truck ready to drive anywhere with confidence.
Number 6.
1979 Chevrolet pickup, price $6,500, equipped with a dependable 350 small block V8 paired with headers and a new exhaust system, delivering that classic Chevy sound. It is backed by a turbo 350 automatic transmission and has received several recent upgrades. The exterior has been coated in durable Raptor liner, giving it a rugged, long-lasting finish, while the interior has been refreshed with brand new carpet and a re-upholstered seat. The truck also sits on new tires, with solid cab corners and rockers showing very little rust. Additional improvements include a completely new wiring harness and newly rekeyed locks, offered with 2 full sets of keys. Originally built as a K10 4x4, the truck is currently running as a C10 in 2-wheel drive configuration but retains the potential to be returned to its original 4-wheel drive setup.
Number 7.
1994 GMC Sierra 1500, price $5,500. It has 167,000 original miles and comes equipped with an automatic transmission and a strong 350 V8 engine. Finished in a classic brown exterior, it has been owned by one family since new and carries a well-documented maintenance history. The truck runs on gasoline and remains in excellent mechanical condition, with everything functioning properly. The air conditioning only requires a light recharge, while the tires and brakes have been recently replaced. Despite a few minor bumps and bruises, the body shows absolutely no rust, making it a very clean and well-kept example. The interior is just as impressive, featuring a clean, tear-free cabin that has been carefully preserved over the years. With its combination of reliability, originality, and careful upkeep, this Sierra is ready to be driven anywhere with confidence.
Number 8.
1989 Chevrolet 2500, price $6,000, well-preserved vintage truck with 128,000 original miles on the odometer. It comes equipped with a manual transmission paired to a strong V8 engine, delivering dependable performance with no issues at all in the drivetrain. The truck features a long bed, making it practical for hauling, while the exterior is finished in a classic burgundy color complemented by a red interior. The cabin remains in excellent condition, with clean seats and carpets that reflect how well it has been cared for. This truck has had only 3 owners. The original owner kept it garaged for about 25 years before selling it to someone who owned it briefly, after which it was acquired by the current owner. Convenience features include power windows, power locks, and working air conditioning, while the tires are in good shape.
Number 9.
1994 GMC 1500, price $10,000. It features a unique 1952 Chevy front end, giving it a classic touch with a modern twist. Under the hood, it's powered by a totally rebuilt 5.7L V8 equipped with a cam and all-new internals, designed to run on high-octane fuel with no issues. The transmission has also been completely rebuilt with a shift kit, ensuring smooth yet firm performance. With only 10,000 miles on the full rebuild, this truck is fast, reliable, and ready for the road. In addition to its performance, the truck offers comfort and convenience with power windows, fully functional air conditioning, and strong heat for colder days. It's equipped with a 3.73 rear end featuring all new gears, LED lighting throughout, and rear airbags for improved handling and stability.
Number 10.
1972 Ford F250, price $6,000, finished in yellow with a white interior, is powered by a 390 V8 paired with an automatic transmission. The truck has 182,000 miles in total, with only 32,000 miles on the rebuilt engine. Well cared for over the years, it has had a rebuilt carburetor, new belts, hoses, plug wires, and a replaced right-side exhaust manifold. Though over 50 years old, it remains a strong and reliable pickup with only minor cosmetic needs. A new windshield is required, but a fresh gasket is included, and the original Philco AM radio comes with the truck. The rear gas tank fuel should be drained before use. With a clear Oregon title and the seller's name, this solid and nostalgic classic is ready for a new home.